Greetings, Sanbonani, and a warm welcome. My name is CBO. Today we are making these easy walnut cookies. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. We'll begin with the filling. Only grind the walnuts. I'm using a food processor. If you don't have, you may use even a coffee grinder or a blender. I would like to thank you for coming through to watch my video. Your support is valuable to me. Please kindly watch the ads so we can keep the lights on. Add the granulated sugar. Mix well. Separate the eggs. Add the egg whites to the walnuts. Mix well to form a paste-like mixture. Let's make the outer shell. In a bowl, sift in the flour. Add the baking powder. Add the sugar. Stir to mix well. Add the butter. The butter is at room temperature or softened. Add the egg yellows. Add the vanilla essence or extract and mix well. A warm welcome to those who are new to this channel. I hope you love it here. Once the crumb-like dough forms, add cold water. Mix to form a dough, then put the dough for at least 30 minutes in the fridge. We are not kneading as such, we're trying to press it together. If you've never pressed the subscribe button, please subscribe and press the notification bell. It's free to subscribe. Put the dough in a cling wrap, then into the fridge. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit, at least 15 minutes before baking. Cut the dough into two, then mold it. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on the surface and on the dough, then roll the dough into a rectangle like this. Put half of your paste like walnuts, like this. Wrap the dough around the filling, like this. Cut the dough into halves, then quarters. Please press the like button and leave a comment below to add more value to this video. This will populate this video and that is support needed. Place the cookies in a lined baking tray and bake them for 20 minutes or until they are golden. Allow them to cool entirely in a cooling rack. Their aroma was amazing. They have a combination of crunchy and a gooey-like or chewy-like center. Dust them with icing sugar or powdered sugar. That's optional. I hope you will like these delicious cookies. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. You are loved. Stay blessed. Bye bye.